Milk has been called nature's perfect food, but is it really good for everyone? Today on Food Decoded, we're diving deep into milk, its nutrition, its benefits, and the hidden issues many people ignore. Stay till the end to find out if milk truly belongs in your daily diet. First, let's break down what's actually in a glass of milk. It's packed with high-quality protein, essential for building muscle. And it's a fantastic source of calcium for strong bones. You'll also find key nutrients like vitamin B12 for nerve function and iodine, which is vital for your metabolism. But milk also contains calories and a natural sugar called lactose. The main difference between whole, low-fat, and skim milk is the fat content, which also affects the total calories. Whole milk has the most fat, while skim has virtually none. So, what are the clear benefits of drinking milk? For starters, its rich calcium and vitamin D content make it a superstar for bone health, helping to prevent fractures and osteoporosis later in life. The high-quality protein we mentioned is excellent for muscle repair and growth, which is why it's so popular with athletes. Plus, it's just a really convenient way to get a lot of essential nutrients in one go, especially for growing kids and teenagers in the USA and UK. Now, let's talk about the hidden problems. The biggest issue is lactose intolerance. A huge percentage of adults worldwide, including many in the US and UK, lose the ability to digest lactose properly. This can lead to uncomfortable symptoms like bloating, gas, and stomach cramps. For some people, dairy consumption is also linked to skin problems like acne, or even low-grade inflammation. Though the science here is still developing, there are also concerns about added hormones and the effects of processing, which can worry some consumers. One of the biggest myths is that milk causes weight gain. Let's clear this up. Milk itself doesn't automatically make you gain weight. The problem isn't the milk, but the total calories you consume. A single glass of plain milk is perfectly fine. The issue arises when you're drinking large quantities or choosing flavored milks loaded with added sugar. Like with any food, portion size is key. A balanced diet is what truly matters, not singling out one food group. So, who should be drinking milk and who might want to skip it? It's generally very beneficial for children, adolescents, and athletes who need the extra nutrients for growth and recovery. Many adults can also enjoy it without any problems. However, if you are lactose intolerant or find that dairy just doesn't agree with you, there are plenty of great alternatives. Almond, soy, and oat milks are widely available and are often fortified with calcium and vitamin D to match the nutritional profile of dairy milk. What's the final verdict? Milk isn't a villain, but it's not a magic potion either. It's a nutrient-dense food that's great for some people, but not for everyone. The most important thing is to listen to your body. If you feel great drinking it, fantastic. If it causes you problems, there are other ways to get your nutrients. If this video helped you understand milk better, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Food Decoded episodes, and comment below. Do you drink milk daily or do you avoid it? Thanks for watching.